Hi there, welcome back. It is it's Wednesday. No, it's Tuesday, mate. Fucking almost had it. Today I'm gonna go over moves in the markets on the Nasdaq, and I don't know why that felt so forced, but yeah, we're just gonna go over to today's move and what we saw on the S&P. Um, didn't take any trades today, and yeah, as mentioned yesterday, I'm just going to chill out for a couple of days probably, unless the model does definitely play out, which we've got something here, but I'm thinking still lower down to go. I'm just thinking that mainly being this 4 hour relative equal lows, I'm thinking that we're going to sweep that, maybe come down, sweep this as a final draw, because that is kind of equal lows here. Um, Yeah, I'm just thinking that is the case before we see a move back up. And yeah, I mean, if we look at yesterday's trade, if I had held the original entry as it was with the stop above the inverse there, targeting the previous daily low, well, I could have made about 400 quid today. So yeah, I mean, it's just a sign to follow the model, mate. Because look at that, £97 stop there. It was about 100 yesterday, to be fair. And targeting previous daily low could have been 433 quid. But, you know, it's not the end of the world. Live and learn. And yeah, so we walk away from today's movements with that lesson in mind and just more confirmation that the model does play out. At the moment, what's going on here? Got an inverse here. We've already traded up. I'm still hesitant on this. I'm not going to enter this. But yeah, right. In terms of the actual sessions, what have we seen? So from, well, Asia session last night, we've been just sold off even more, taking the PM lows, and then coming to take the AM lows from yesterday during the London session. A little bit of consolidation in between and within these imbalances here. And yeah, we've just seen price trade down. We've got this order block here, a bit more consolidation. And then what's actually happened there on a 5 minute? Do we sweep the London high? Do we sweep the London high on the S&P maybe? No, so we just had like a small move upwards, and then just sold off even more. So it's been quite clear that the bias has been very bearish today. Um, you know, obviously as we draw closer to these equal lows down here on the 4 hour time frame, then yeah, I think it's pretty obvious now that we are going towards these, and there's no point going long until those get taken, pretty much. So yeah, nothing today, nothing too major, and yeah, it's just one of those. A bit of a shorter video today because I don't really have too much more to talk about in terms of the actual price action. But if we look at the news today, then what we got today is the 18th. Nada niche. So let's come back here. I think that's gonna pretty much do it. We could look at the crypto market. I mean, it's pretty much been down most of the day. Has today actually been an up day? Yeah. Oh, I mean, not necessarily, but either way, it is what it is. I ended up closing out my position on Nvidia today. Closed that for about 46% profit. Just because I think it was Peter Thiel at Palantir has now sold his complete stake in Nvidia. He's sold it all. Michael Berry's short on Nvidia. Just people are net bearish at the moment, so just securing some profits. No doubt I will get back into that when price is offered at a bit nicer price. But yeah, you know, it's been on a massive run, and it's about time there's been it's about time there's a bit of a cool off. But yeah, other than that, a pretty quiet day. Still, in the long term, in the long term, once we start going bullish, this will eventually be our ultimate target. And to be honest, I might just put at one point, once we start seeing prices moving up, just one massive trade. And say, for example, I don't know, say for example, we come down below this low and then trade back up again, nice movement. It literally looks something like this. And this is on a 4-hour chart. So the only problem is, it's like when you do these swing trades, you know, you got to have really tight stops to get good risk to reward. And it takes a while. So it's just like, But anyway, enough of that. Tomorrow, news-wise, I can't remember what we have now. So we have FOMC meeting minutes and London CPI. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit of manipulation in the London session. And we continue on from there. So, yeah, going to keep it short today. That's pretty much going to do it. Just one final scan on the 5-minute. Yeah, sold off. Taking AM lows from yesterday. Move up here. Not even massively clean, but we got a move here. But ultimately, I'm still seeing this coming bearish down here. That's basically my takeaway from today. Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Trade safe, trade smart, and trade your plan mush. Do you know what I mean?